to Five Below and found tons of stuff for $5 or less. They've got a pretty good toy section. Look at all this. Monster High, Cuckoo Harajuku, Hatchimals, Squishies. So much stuff. Where do we start first? Let's start with Barbie. This Barbie Fashion is $2.99. It is Series 2, and there is a mystery super squishy Barbie Fashion inside. For ages 4 and up, now let's see which one is inside. Okay, and is that purple hair? Ooh, it's a fairy. Feels like only her hair and wings are squishy. If you're looking for a larger Barbie, we found this water play Barbie for $5. Puppy not included. I've seen these swim Barbies at Walmart for $4.99, so you're paying about a penny more. She has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head. She can turn her head from side to side. Her arms can go forward and back, and her legs can move. Her bathing suit is painted on, and she looks a little like Sophie. Really? I don't see the resemblance. We found some My Mini Mixie Qs, which is pretty awesome because it's getting difficult to find them. This is from Series 1. It is the Drummer 4-pack, and it comes with 2 minifigures, a monkey, some bananas, and a bowl. Oh, and a mystery figure! This is Series 1, so there could be a rainbow unicorn in there. It's pink! But no, that is definitely not a rainbow unicorn. This is Celebration, and she is definitely welcome to the party. We found My Little Pony Friendship is Magic for $5, and this Equestria Girls mini. I love the Equestria Girl minis because they are tiny and they are posable. And these are nice size playsets for $5. Here is Rarity and the Dress Shop, and we found Fluttershy's cottage. In this playset, Fluttershy keeps her cozy cottage ready for her friends to visit. There are accessories for her to wear. There is a watering can that you can clip to her front leg, or you can switch it out for a basket of flowers. The front of the cottage looks all woodsy, and when you open it up on the inside, there is more space to play. In Rarity's dress shop, she tries on dazzling outfits at the dress shop in Manhattan. I like the idea of these little play sets, and I think they will look great with the mystery bag ponies. The backdrop is almost the perfect size for them. Everything fits neatly inside, so you can play on the go. From Littlest Pet Shop, here is the Treats and Treetops playset. This is from the Pets in the City collection. We've got some super small accessories here. The carrot is tiny. There is a treehouse with a working swing and a tiny little place to call home. There are 3 little pets that can be placed around the tree. This is a pretty cool find. It is Elena of Avalor, the royal gown by Hasbro for ages 3 and up. She is wearing her classic red dress, a tiara, blue earrings, and a pair of gold heels. She has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulders, and hip. For $3, we found Cabbage Patch Kids Little Sprouts. There's a kid, baby, and a pet, and a mystery accessory. Let's see, I think this is for the dog. Yep, it's a cute little pink bone. Little Sprouts make perfect toys for dolls. I've got a Cabbage Patch! Sticking with the minis, here are Shopkins cutie cars. Here is Icy Roller and a mini Shopkin. And this is Willy Wishes. It comes with a tiny birthday cake Shopkin that can fit inside. This one is from Series 1 and that one is from Series 2. Ooh, the little side folds down. Shopkins Happy Places blind boxes. This was $2.99 and I really need some more stuff for my stable. So let's see. Purple tile. That's good. Okay, So, what is this? Awesome! It's an anvil, horseshoe, and a hammer from the Pampered Pony Stable Collection. But I really want the silver one. In this wild style blind box, there are 2 Shopkins and a pet pod. Could this be the precious unicorn pet pod? Today is my lucky day. I can feel it. Unicorn, are you in there? I think that's a bunny. And inside we have Melon Minutes. It's from the Glazed Fruit Tribe and it's translucent. It's actually pretty cute. It'd make a great alarm clock in a doll room. And Little Bo Bella from the Glitzy Dancers Tribe. She's sparkly. I like these wild style Shopettes and Petkin combo packs. This is Snowfro and a Fluffy Snowball. The Shopette has some articulation with movement at the head, and I can move the arms. This little cutie is Amber Bow and Honey Pots. The Shopettes are all fuzzy. For $2.99, we found a Hatchimal Season 1 pack. So there's only 1 in here. I usually try to get the larger packs so you can get more for your money. But maybe this is a limited edition, and that'll make it all worth it. I think it's a panda. I already have this one. This Disney Princess Little Kingdom Merida comes with some fun accessories. There are little wisps that snap into her clothes. She has some little bear ears, and they kind of look like Mickey Mouse ears. And a bow and arrow. You get a little brother in bear form, and a plate of treats that he will gladly balance for you. The doll has some articulation with movement at the head and hip. I'm not sure if the arms move. The shirt kind of gets in the way, so let's remove the shirt and see what happens. Oh yeah, that one moves. That one, however, feels a little stuck. The mini Cuckoo Harajuku dolls are a fun find. They can stand on their own, come with little charms that can snap into place, and they have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. Mini dolls are fun because they are easy to take wherever you go. But if you're looking for something a little larger than a mini doll, Wonder Woman! That's right, we found Wonder Woman for just $5. This is Diana Prince with the hidden sword. She's wearing a pretty blue gown while rocking her Amazon boots. And check out that articulation. She has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. Can you see that? Her dress is in the way. Yeah, see? Knee. This is a great find. A fully articulated doll for $5. Seriously, elbows and knees are a must. Definitely one of my favorite finds of the day. My other favorite is fully articulated Monster High. We've got Frankie, Claudine, and Cleo. Oh, I wish I had found Laguna and Draculaura. Out of the box, we have a little bit of box hair, but that can be expected. Each one comes with an accessory. Claudine has a little purple purse, Frankie has yellow, and Cleo's is gold. These are from the reboot, so Claudine has some sculpted fur, they have softened faces, and Cleo has sculpted wraps. They are fully articulated with full rotation at the neck, shoulder, elbow, and wrist. There is movement at the hip and knee. For just $5. I think that is a fantastic find, considering that I'm having trouble finding Monster Highs. As I was walking out the door of Five Below, I found Squishies. This one is called Squeezables, Super Soft Squishy Toys, and this one is by Soft and Slow Squishies. They both say they have super soft and slow squishies. Let's see who is the squishiest. The Squeezable has a cute little face on it, and it is pretty squishy. Let's see, how long will it take for it to expand? There we go. This is the soft and slow squishy, and it is pretty squishy. Looks like food. All right, let's see how long it takes for this one to grow back. The only way to really tell which one is faster is if we squeeze them at the same time. On your mark, get set, go! I think the squeezable was slower. Let us know in the comments down below who you think was the slowest. Thank you for joining us for our 5 Below haul. Be sure to follow us on Instagram for upcoming giveaways. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing.